Alright.
So what part hit the ground will sound like solid? Wasn't that piece?
Wasn't that piece?
Must have been this one.
Right.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one.
Yeah, you can't hurt it. Panhead part. Or Forster part. Kicker lever. Get a shirt part again.
Another bag.
Well, this is a good bag. We'll keep this one.
Got that.
What's that fit?
Looks like a late shovel head.
Nope.
No.
No, this is Harley. It's not aftermarket. It's not chrome. It's black.
Panhead?
Panheads are more straight.
I'm gonna guess it's 45.
They're real short.
Okay. Knucklehead? UL.
Nope, that's one piece.
Evo.
Evos didn't have kickers.
Did for a year.
Not really.
Hmm.
3 years actually. 4, 5, and 6.
Okay. I'm running out of guesses here.
Your light's not on either. Yeah. You out of guesses?
Yeah.
You got 2 bikes left.
Let's see. Does not have one. Earlier than a knucklehead?
No.
Not a panhead. Not a shovelhead. Sportster.
There you go.
All right.
What's the other one? Older.
Older. K model.
There you go. Figured it out.
It's Monday.
And that's the pedal I use in a race bike too. And if you notice, it's a little bit bent too. Looks a little bent anyway. So this is angled back a little bit, so you just put a little bit of weld right here where that rub mark is, and you angle it forward a little bit. About 10 degrees forward is best, so when you kick on it, it flexes your your ankle goes down straight without bending it. It also keeps your foot on the damn thing when you do that. You see how it looks like it's bent a little?
Yeah.
And then we're going to fix it, because we can't have bent stuff. We can't have bent eBay crap.
Right.
We're going that way.
Oh. Keep going.
We're going that way. Getting closer. You're getting closer. You know what this is?
Press.
It's an eBay crap straightening device. So now I gotta figure out how we're going to straighten this. So first thing we do is make room. You see it walking around. I think I got room right there, right? Then you put something on top of this nice machine block that we don't care about. Like a chunk of raw metal.
Okay.
And you put that right there. And you pull that lever right there. One yank on it. Oh, your light's still off. No, I don't know. Go like that. You put some tonnage on it. About 15's enough. Bleeding. Now, how much bent does that look? Is it not moving? Yeah, move now. So how much bent is it? 1 hit or 2 hits?
Yeah, I'm gonna go with 1. Maybe 2.
See, that's made of real metal.
Cool.
That's why I use original kicker arms on my race bike. See how strong that is?
Yeah.
Did it move yet?
Yeah, it moved. That last one.
Look better? We're getting straight now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Look good? Got a straight edge right here. What do you think?
Looks wonderful.
Is it nice and straight or one more hit?
No, that looks good.
Sure?
What's your kicker?
Well, you know, gives you more exhaust clearance in here too, and you get a little extra. So, now if you did that with an aftermarket one, you know what would happen?
It would probably break.
It would just bolt fold right over. Genuine parts are heat treated and they're strong as hell, as you can tell. Because how much this weigh?
A lot.
That's about a 30-pounder.
Tatro's hammer.
It's at least 25. And I had to swing it a little hard too, if you notice. See the damage to block? That's why we don't care about that one. So this one here didn't get damaged.
Yeah.
We definitely didn't hurt these. So now you just put a little tackle right there and you're good to go. You got a racing kicker arm.
Alright.
Now if you want to do a street one, then you just put a pedal on it. So there you go. So it's K-Model, Sportster. You can also put on shovel head to the clears. But this one won't bend like the stock one. The other ones you bend, you big motor, you start kicking these, they start twisting around like that. But on my race bike, I bend these.
Why is that?
Because it doesn't want to kick.
Huh.
It actually twists it. So it twists it like that. And then it bends it down slightly, but mainly it twists it. Actually has a curve this direction too. It goes this direction.
Alright.
Because it doesn't want to kick when you have a 90-inch motor with 13-1 compression. Kickstart bike. Doesn't move. So I've had to replace them twice now. Alright. Why do you buy genuine Harley parts?
They don't bend
Because
as easy.
they're strong as hell, that's why. Alright, next item. Took off.